So the AI market is booming and it's gonna explode for the next 5, 10 years. So the entrepreneurs that leveraging AI are seeing exactly a tremendous growth in the business, because nowadays AI can create content for you, can book meeting for you, and also close the deal for you. So if you're not leveraging AI as a B2B company, as a consultant, you are left behind. So in this video, I'm not talk about how you can use AI to grow your pipeline, but I will talk mostly about the negative parts of our business are burning cash, losing deals, and also struggle to scale by making these three or AI mistakes. So if you stick around here, I'm going to share with you the exact mistakes that the business owners are making when it comes to AI. So about myself, it's just Cameron. I am a B2B company to scale without adding extra headcounts, because we book for them meetings and help them to have the inbound and outbound outreach that is exactly all automated on the autopilot. What they only focus on is closing the deals. So we do everything for that. So if you are a coach, a consultant, you are interested about working with someone who is working already with people and booking meeting for them, I will be happy to work with you. But let's talk about our today subject. So today we're going to talk about how the AI and automation instead that's crushing exactly your growth. So as you can see, we have inconsistent content, we have zero data inside, and outful lead quality. So if you stick around, I'm going to go exactly very filter and explain to you exactly. So here we're going to talk about the hidden cost of AI automation. So if you are a B2B SaaS founder or a coach, you are probably using AI and automation. So, but what if those tools meant to help you scale actually holding you back? What if, like the case scenario where those tools that were meant exactly to increase your productivity and increase exactly your efficiency in your work, but the only two that are also holding you back. This is a paradox. So that means you are using AI to book more meeting or even to create content, but if those the one that is holding you back. So in today's video, we are diving into three biggest steps or mistake automation that are absolutely pushing your growth. So don't worry about everything. So we're gonna talk about that. So let's talk with the first mistake: using AI for inconsistent and low quality content. So what I'm seeing a lot of people are doing now on internet because of the AI, what they are doing, they are producing low quality content. So that's mean they are just using or here to mom out or more content because they told you that you should be consistent on the internet. So they are leveraging AI to create posts, to comment on the social media. So the thing that they are not understanding is that if you are using AI just with a bad input and also with a low quality of prompting, you're gonna get also the low quality of results. So what you have to do here is that you should stop using AI just for everything and not even for your content. You should be able to have a crafty, personalized AI content creator that's gonna sound like you, that's gonna sound exactly like your own voice. So that's exactly what we help our clients with. We are leveraging AI to make their content research to polish exactly the offer, and the AI gonna create the content that is ironed exactly for them. So you should start to now to not start just creating using ChatGPT or Claude just to generate or like generate content, because people can feel and understand that this content is generated by the AI. So funders get excited about AI ability to churn out blog posts, social media, dates, even email sequences. So they are saying that okay, it's very quick, the lightning speed. But the thing here is that if that content is bland, generic, or just plain raw, it's not building authority. It's just a running like a trust. So if people can understand directly that your content is just come from AI, they're gonna lose exactly respect about you. So you have to make sure that all the content that you are creating leveraging AI are the content that is exactly talking about that is sounding exactly like you. That's exactly what we built. We built exactly with all the experts that we have in copywriting and also in the content creation. So we leverage AI to create exactly content that's on like our clients. So I would be happy to help you if you will be interested about learning how it's work exactly. The second mistake, how you can fix that now, you can fix exactly here. So you should use AI as a accelerator, not as a replacement. So the first ever thing that you should use AI as resource as a system. So because you cannot like stay there and for 5 hours to start using searching for viral content or the pain point that your clients are your potential clients are struggling with. So you use AI as a research assistant. So you think about your super smart research assistant that's gonna go and research some content that's trending and also that's talking about your ideal customer. So you feed it with strategic input. So you should be able to train your AI agent to understand exactly what is your ideal customer and what the pain point that behave exactly and what's how you are solving those problems. So you infuse exactly your strategy. So everything here, if you do this exactly step by step, you're gonna be able to make a good AI content creator. So the AI gonna research the content based on your topic. You have the good input and you put exactly your expertise. Everything gonna be very all right. So what you have to not hear is that you should stop using AI for low quality content. You should be able to give the AI all the data so the AI gonna do the work for you. So the second mistake is that you are automating a blind without any data inside. So now the mistake number two is that you have set up your CRM, your email sequence, your outreach tool, everything is exactly like your set up beautifully. But but are you actually looking at what's happening? Are you tracking conversion rates, open rates, engagement, lead source, or are you just hoping for the best? Many B2B leader automate a process and then forget to build in the feedback loop. So here is that whenever you're automating your task, yeah, it's good. AI gonna work for you the email, gonna automate exactly the content creation, it's gonna create even for ads, it's gonna create even the ad for you. So the thing here is that if you are automating just blindly without even tracking exactly the data, you will not even increase your conversion rate, you will not even increase your pipeline. So what you have to do here is that you should integrate analytics everywhere. So because those are the technology, it's a technology, so you can track exactly everything that's happening in your pipeline. So if you track everything on the input, how many people open it, exactly your email sent by the AI, and how many outreach, how many lead interested, and how many lead did you close as your client. So you should not just automate everything and you hope like blindly that the AI gonna be there and to give you exactly stats. So you should avoid exactly using AI for low quality content. You should now automate with specific data inside, so you get exactly the insight from your AI. So the third mistake, the mistake is low quality from poorly targeted automation. So here is that you start not getting low quality lead. You're gonna get the unqualified people. Why? Because you didn't have a good or targeted automation. So as I told you, the first everything that is important for the AI to understand exactly which kind of lead they should generate for you. You should be able to define your ideal customer profile, and you feed the AI with your expertise, with everything that need to start exactly generating the results you are looking for. So if you don't exactly put everything together, you're gonna get the unqualified people. So what you have to do, you define your ICP, get crystal clear on who your absolute best clients are, what their pain point, and what industry are they in, what role do they hold. So you use AI to find and qualify, the AI powered tool to find and qualify lead that's perfect match exactly your eyes, and you personalize your outreach and even your advertising. So here are the three process you have to implement right in your I say that's this is exactly your way to to automate exactly everything for you to start getting amazing results from your research. So what I want you to do here is that if you are a B2B company, a B2B company or founder, you own a SaaS, you are a high ticket consultant or a coach, I would like to implement exactly an AI system that is booking you on autopilot and helping you exactly grow your pipeline on autopilot. So our promise is very simple. So 3 times your pipeline in 90 days or you don't pay. So if you are interested about that, you can click the button below to book a call, a demo where I will walk you through our offer and our process. How we make sure that the AI industry is not used wrongly as people are using AI wrongly. Just they are using AI blindly. But for you, we're gonna tailor exactly everything for you. So to make sure that you get high quality. So if you are interested about that, just click the button below to book a demo where I will walk you through everything and make sure that I can understand your current situation. So we're gonna map up exactly our growth plan. If you're interested about that, just click the button below. And if you would like exactly to get everything about AI automation and the outbound system, you can follow this page so we can go together.